Assalamu alaikum 5 class. I hope you will be fine. Today we will learn computer. Open page number 5. Unit number 1. The topic is installation of Windows XP. Use the following checklist. Make sure that you are prepared. You have the Windows XP CD and the product key. This product key is available on the Discover. Follow the steps given below to install the Windows XP on your computer. Insert the Windows XP CD into your computer and restart your computer. Press the space bar when the message press any key to boot from CD appear. The message appear only for a few seconds. Look at this picture. Like that type of windows appear, and that is message, and here is the message that appear. Press the enter key when the welcome to setup screen appears. Look at this picture. As you can see the picture, welcome to setup screen. Press the page down key and read. Press the page down key to read and scroll to the bottom of the agreement. Look at this picture. Press the F8 key to agree to the licensing agreement. The next screen appears. Look at this picture. It is the next screen. Use the up or down arrow key to select format the partition using the NTFS file system quick. Look at this picture. As you can see the picture, here is the format the partition using the NTFS file system. Press the enter key to confirm your selection and start the next setup. Next step, Windows starts information the disk drive. Look at this picture. As you can see the picture, setup is formatting. When formatting is complete, Windows copies the setup files. Look at the picture. Formatting, as you can see the picture, formatting is completed. When copying of file is complete, Windows XP restart. Do not follow the message that demands you to press any key to boot from CD. Look at this picture. Eventually, the regional and language options page appears. Look at the picture. This page is appear, and you will click next. On the personalize your software page, type your name and your organization name. Look at this picture. Here you will type your name and your organization and click next. Type your product key as it appears on your Windows XP CD case. Look at this picture. Here you will type your product key and click next. Type the computer name and administrator password. Here you will type your name and here you will type your password and confirm your password, then click next. The date and time setting page appears. Here is the date and time setting page. Here you type date and day. and here you type time, then click next. On the network setting page, choose your settings type. It is better to choose typical setting. Here you will choose typical setting and then click next. If your computer is not part of a domain, select the first choice. Here you will select the first choice and click next. When the display setting dialog box appears, this dialog box appears and you will click OK. When the monitor setting dialog box is appear, you will click also OK. The final stage of setup begins and the present you with a welcome screen. Click next to continue. That is the welcome screen. And then you will click next to continue.